Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. This is video session on intensity of radiation and solid angle. In this session, you will be able to explain solid angle, intensity of radiation and Lambert's law. The radiant energy falling on the surfaces from all directions. Effect of radiation on the surface depends on the directional distribution of energy. This effect is analyzed by considering the concept of intensity radiation and the solid angle. Solid angle, here in this diagram, here we see this is the conical shaped element. So here this is making angle center of this theta, that is emitted radiation line. This is the black surface emitter having area dA. So solid angle is defined as a portion of the space inside a sphere enclosed by a conical surface. So here we see this d omega. This is the portion of the space inside a sphere enclosed by a conical surface. Now this we are measuring with the vertex of this cone. So vertex of the cone is at this point at the center of sphere. Now sphere is this surrounding volume or space. So here one more diagram in this we see this is a area at the base of cone, that is A2. This is a vertex. So this R is a distance between this base and vertex. So solid angle is measured by the ratio of the spherical surface enclosed by the cone, that is A2, to the square of the radius of the sphere. So radius of the sphere is a distance from the center of the sphere to the outline, this, that is R, and its square, that is R square. So solid angle is given as d omega is equal to A2 by R square. Its unit is stay radian. Solid angle between two elementary surfaces. These are the two surfaces. One is having area dA1, other is having area dA2. This is the distance between these two surfaces, that is R. Angle made by this distance line with the normal to the surface 1, that is beta 1. So here solid angle between these two is here measured by this formula or determined by using this formula. So here d omega is equal to dA1 into cos beta 1 divided by R square. Intensity of radiation. It is defined as the rate of energy leaving a surface in a given direction per unit solid angle per unit area of the emitting surface, which is normal to the mean direction in space. Lambert's cosine law. By this law, the total emissive power means E theta from a radiating plane surface in any direction is directly proportional to the cosine of the angle of the emission. Equation is E theta is equal to En cos theta, where theta is the angle subtended by the normal to the radiating surface and the direction vector of emission of the receiving surface, and En is total emissive power of the radiating surface in the direction of its normal. So at the end of this session, you can explain solid angle, intensity of radiation, and Lambert's law. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for next video sessions. Thank you.